Hello dear viewers. You see two spectra received from the sensor on the splash screen. This is a bottle of colloidal iron oxides in water, surrounded by two symmetrical coils of 100 mH and 300 ohms each. Both coils are connected to the line input of a consumer PC sound card. Recording program, Spectrum Lab. As a result, we have two similar spectra of the electromagnetic background on the table not far from the PC. In the region of 10 Hz, geomagnetic fluctuations are observed. Periodic signals in the region of 30 Hz may be related to communication with submarines. 50 Hz local power grid, 60 Hz US and Japanese power grid. Higher harmonics at intervals of 50 Hz are classified as mains interference if they are visible at the same time. Many higher harmonics are related to interference from household appliances. But rare signals or signals with periodicity most likely belong to very low-frequency communications, including with submarines, and other sources are also possible. Recording was carried out in Krasnodar.